We'll open it, okay? Go then, go then. We'll open. We'll open the parcel we received from Amazon. Oh. Go then, go. In the middle, here. What? Here, like. Come here. Okay. Mama will open, huh? What do you think inside this parcel? Huh? Do you think it's a toy? Toy or not? Huh? Open. Open. Okay. This is the one. Do you know what is this? This is for Mama's back, for the lumbar support. When Mama is sitting like this here, like this. Very relaxing, right? Nice? Enough na. So, bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Baba.
Bye-bye. Oh, turn off na. Turn off na.